The kidneys are vital organs in the body that are responsible for filtering waste products from the blood and removing them from the body through urine. However, certain factors such as poor diet, medication, and medical conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure can cause damage to the kidneys, leading to kidney problems. Fortunately, there are herbs that have been used for centuries to support kidney health and function. Let's take a closer look at some of these herbs and how they can help with kidney problems. 1. Dandelion Root. Dandelion root is a powerful diuretic that can help to increase urine production and promote the removal of excess fluid from the body. This herb is also rich in antioxidants that can help to protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. 2. Nettle Leaf. Nettle leaf is another herb that can help to support kidney health. It is a natural diuretic that can help to increase urine production and flush out toxins from the body. 3. Nettle leaf is also high in minerals like potassium, which can help to regulate fluid balance in the body. 4. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory herb that can help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It also has a diuretic effect that can help to flush out toxins from the body. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This herb can help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from damage. 6. Buchu. Buchu is a South African herb that has been traditionally used to support kidney health. It is a natural diuretic that can help to increase urine production and flush out toxins from the body. Buchu also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. 7. Marshmallow Root. Marshmallow root is a soothing herb that can help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It also has a diuretic effect that can help to increase urine production and flush out toxins from the body. 8. Astragalus Root. Astragalus root is an adaptogenic herb that can help to support overall kidney health. It can help to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. In conclusion, these are just a few of the many herbs that can help to support kidney health and function. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating herbs into your diet or treatment plan. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.